All right, guys, Motor Toys. We're about to take a ride in an S6 that has about 630 horsepower on 93, and he's got some mods done, some upgraded turbos, obviously, exhaust intake tune, all that good stuff. So we're gonna hop in and take a quick little ride. Man, this thing is nice. Thanks, man. This is a beautiful car.
Thanks, man.
All-wheel drive. I mean, they're already doing 55 miles an hour. What the hell is this?
That's really not on the throttle all that much. I just kind of still, I want it to be over 190 degrees oil temp, so that with the turbos, you know, it's
Where are we at right now?
170, 179.
Okay. Yeah, you gotta let it warm up. This guy might be drunk.
Yeah.
I'm getting near his dumb ass. Ninja 636, I would say, all day long. My roommate used to have one of them. It was just exhaust and intake, and it felt about like that. But I mean, it's different when you're sitting in a seat and freaking getting air conditioned while you're hauling ass.
Yeah, it'd be comfortable.
All right, you go from a dig. This doesn't bother you right here, does it?
No, you're good.
Oh.
That was about 25 pounds of boost.
Yeah, he does.